All right, guys, welcome back to Cybertruck One. I just did a video today regarding charging a Cybertruck, or excuse me, using the Cybertruck NEMA 1450 to charge this Y. This is 2023, or any other vehicle for that matter. But I had a version 2, the newest mobile charger for my Cybertruck. But here, I actually have a version 1 model that I had with a Model S that I used to own. It was a 2013. And so you'll see the adapters here for that. And obviously there's your 50 amp NEMA 1450. Well, we're gonna plug it in and see what happens. All right, there she goes. She's charging. Now before, I only had a maximum of 32 amps. Check this out. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. It's going to start winding up. So here we go. 32. That's what I had on the version 2 mobile connector. Now, version 1, the older one, that thing is from 2013, is charging at 40 amps. So we're doing 34, 35 miles per hour. A little bit better. So I may carry this around with me. Anyone that knows Tesla better than I do, how, normally in the world, the capabilities don't go down. Why does a version 1 mobile connector on a NEMA 1450 plug work better than version 2? Is it a margin of safety error that they've changed or what? But anyway, I think I'm going to cruise around with the old one.